Hey everybody, welcome to our first Letterland lesson. We have a brand new set of words for this week and I'm excited to jump right in. Alright, let's get started. We already know that sometimes Walter Walrus tries to splash his salty water on Oscar Orange. But Mr. O steps in and says, "Oh, no you don't." Remember that? But sometimes Mr. O isn't around. Uh-oh. So Walter Walrus goes right ahead with his plan to splash poor Oscar Orange. As Walter starts splashing salty water in Oscar's eyes, Walter slips and bumps his chin, so they both howl, "Ow!" Sounds really painful. What Walter always forgets is that when you tease someone, you can end up hurting yourself, and that's what happens here in this picture. So we know that Oscar and Walter can make the ow sound in words. So let's build some words using Oscar Orange and Walter Walrus. What if I put a C in the beginning? Let's stretch it out. Ow, cow. Very good. I saw a cow in the field. What if I replaced C with Hairy Hatman? Let's stretch that one out. Ow, how. How did you do that? Awesome. And what if we build the word oops, can you see that? Okay. Ready? Own, town. Good. What town do you live in? Awesome job. Okay, so we know that Oscar Orange and Walter Walrus can sometimes make the ow sound. Let's read through our ow words over here on this side. Here we go. Cow, now, down, clown, crown, town, how, frown, brown. Awesome job. Now, Walter Walrus, we know, is really sneaky. Okay, he's really sneaky. Sometimes he comes and he fills up the letter U with salty water and moves right in. He starts splashing water in Oscar's eyes again, but he slips and bumps his chin again. So they both shout, "Ow!" like in the word ouch. Walter just cannot stay out of trouble. So we know now that sometimes O and U can make the ow sound as well. So let's build some words with our O and U. Ready? Let's stretch it out. Sh, ow, t, shout. There's no need to shout. What about now I see two consonants together at the end of this word, showing me they're going to work together. Okay, here we go. Sound, sound. Did you hear that sound? Very good. All right, so we now know that O and U can also make the ow sound as well. We just have to remember which words are spelled which way, okay? Let's read through our ow words on this side. Shout, out. Ooh, they rhyme. Pound, found, round, ground, about, count, loud, house and mouse, proud, mouth, cloud. Awesome job. All right, so we also have three tricky words this week. The first tricky word is a special kind of word. Do you remember contractions? We talked a lot about contractions. Contractions are two words pushed together to make one shorter word. So this word is can't, okay? Can't. And can't is actually cannot pushed together. The apostrophe comes in. Remember, it sucks up some letters and it makes the word can't. So when you're spelling this word, don't forget your apostrophe. I can't eat my vegetables today, Mom. Sorry. What about this word? this is also another contraction. This is actually two words. Don't is do not. And when you push them together and you suck up some letters with your apostrophe, it makes the word don't. Don't touch that hot stove. Our last tricky word is something you wear on your feet. Okay, this word is shoes. Now this word is really tricky because last week we learned about the foot and boot twins and how they make the OO sound. Okay, and so you'd think this word would be spelled S-H-O-O-S, shoes. But this is what makes it tricky. Eddie Elephant comes storming in. He kicks out one of the twins and he starts blowing water from his trunk at the other twin. And because he gets water blown at him, he goes, ooh! So that's why he still makes the OO sound in shoes, shoes, okay? So remember that. All right, you guys have done an awesome job today with these new words. I will attach them on our weekly choice board. So if you have a printer, you can print them out and practice sorting them. If you don't have a printer, you can write them on a piece of paper and cut them out that way and practice sorting them. However it is that you can write them down and practice sorting them under ow and ow, the different kinds of spellings. Don't forget to practice writing each word 2-3 times, and definitely practice your tricky words as well, okay? And I will be checking in to see how you're doing on your spelling words, okay? So don't forget to practice. We have ow and ow just spelled differently, all right? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Practice hard.